Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install mods in Farming Simulator 25. Let's get started. Mods can add new tractors, tools, vehicles, and improve your gameplay experience. First, go to the Farming Simulator 25 main menu, then click Downloadable Content, then browse the available mods or use the categories at the top. And after that, select a mod you like, then click Install. Now, wait for it to download. Then it will added to your game. Now start or load your save file. Go to the shop and open the mod and DLC section to find the use your installed mods. Now you can also download mods from trusted mod website. Open your browser and search for a Farming Simulator 25 mod site. Then pick a mod, then click the correct download button to avoid fake ads. And after that, once downloaded, go to File Explorer, then go to Downloads and copy the mod file. And after that, go to Documents, then go to My Games, then Farming Simulator 2025 mods, then paste the file into the mods folder. Open the Farming Simulator 25 again and start or load your save. Then go to the mod section screen and activate the mod. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.